Tired of a service you don't use anymore? Ever wondered how to cut ties with your Monese subscription? We've all been there, signing up for something with good intentions only to have it collect digital dust in our app drawer. The good news is, canceling your Monese subscription is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. First, let's be clear about what you're canceling. Monese offers different plans, from simple to classic and premium. If you're on a paid plan, you're not just deleting the app, you're terminating your subscription to stop future charges. But don't worry, you can always downgrade to the simple plan, which is free. This lets you keep your account open and accessible in case you need it later without any of the monthly fees. Okay, let's get down to business. The easiest and most direct way to cancel is by using the Monese app itself. Log into your account and navigate to the Account section. From there, you'll see an option for Account Settings or Manage Plan. Tap on that, and you'll find the details of your current subscription. You should see an option to cancel or downgrade your plan. The app will guide you through a few simple confirmation steps. Now, what if you're having trouble with the app? Maybe you've deleted it, or you can't find the right menu. No problem. Monese has a dedicated customer support team that can help. You can reach out to them via email or the in-app chat function. Just send them a message stating your intention to cancel your subscription. Be sure to include your account details to help them find your information quickly. They'll process your request and confirm when the cancellation is complete. Remember, canceling your subscription doesn't automatically close your Monese account. If you want to fully close your account, you'll have to take a few extra steps. You'll need to make sure your balance is zero, and then reach out to customer support to formally request an account closure. And that's it. Whether you're using the app or reaching out to support, canceling your Monese subscription is simpler than you think. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.